I met this girl last week. She's really nice, so sweet. She gave me her number, gonna go out tonight. I think it was love, love at first sight. She asked if I wanted to go to her. I said I don't know, I never been there before. I tried to suggest I'd give her a ring. She said no, I'm dancing. What you gonna do next Friday? Dance for her, dance for her. We're gonna go on Saturday. Dance for her, dance for her. Tell me please, free next Sunday. She said all night, if you wanna meet me, come dance for holidays. Oh, oh. She said for her is a dance, for her is a rhythm, for her is a place. If I move to the groove, we reach our view. You know that for her is the best of Brazil. I felt insecure, wasn't sure what I'd find, but she's smiling at me, she's searching in my mind. Think bad to do, let's go to her. She's hot, forget I must see more. What you gonna do next Friday? Dance for her, dance for her. We're gonna go on Saturday. Dance for her, dance for her. Tell me please, free next Sunday. Dance for her, dance for her. She said all night, if you wanna meet me, come dance for holidays. Oh, oh. She said for her is a dance, for her is a rhythm, for her is a place. If I move to the groove, it's in my view. You know that for her is the best of Brazil. I felt insecure, wasn't sure what I'd find, but it's smiling at me, she's sitting in my mind. I think that that's a do, let's go to war. She's hard to forget, I must see more. What you gonna do next Friday? Dance for her, dance for her. We're gonna go on Saturday.